Welcome back to Auto Cars Updates, your go-to destination for the latest car news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hyundai Sonata, a bold redesign that's making waves in the midsize sedan segment. The 2025 Sonata has undergone a major transformation with a sleeker exterior, aggressive new front fascia, and a modern rear light bar that spans the width of the car. Hyundai calls this the sensuous sportiness design language, and it shows. Up front, you'll notice a full-width LED light strip that gives it a futuristic look, paired with a new grille design that's more refined and performance-inspired. The rear has been revamped with a sharper trunk design and new taillights that enhance its sporty character. Under the hood, the Sonata comes with multiple powertrain options. There's a standard 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine for daily driving comfort, a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine for those who want more zip, and a fuel-efficient hybrid model for eco-conscious drivers. Inside, the 2025 Sonata continues to impress. The cabin has been redesigned with a focus on technology and premium materials. The dual 12.3-inch panoramic display seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system, giving the interior a high-tech, luxury feel. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and for the first time, Hyundai includes an optional fingerprint authentication system for personalized settings and added security. In terms of safety, Hyundai has packed the Sonata with its SmartSense suite. Features like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, and highway driving assist make this one of the safest sedans in its class. There's also a new electronic column-mounted shift-by-wire gear selector, freeing up space in the center console and giving the cabin a more open layout. As for the driving experience, the 2025 Sonata delivers a smooth, quiet ride with improved suspension tuning and enhanced handling. Whether you're in the city or cruising on the highway, this car feels composed and confident. Pricing for the 2025 Hyundai Sonata is expected to start around $28,000, with higher trims and hybrid options reaching into the mid-$30,000 range. It's a competitive price for a sedan that blends style, technology, and efficiency so well. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Hyundai Sonata. Let us know in the comments what you think of Hyundai's latest design and if it's enough to take on rivals like the Honda Accord or Toyota Camry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Cars Updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.